Okay. So yesterday we did on the topic that is suctioning. Okay. So under suctioning, we have there are three types of suctioning. One is endotracheal suctioning, the other is oropharyngeal suctioning, and the third is nasopharyngeal suctioning. Okay, so yesterday I've taught you about endotracheal suctioning. That is, we have अगर कोई secretions हैं the tracheobronchial tray, okay, anywhere in the trachea or in the bronchi, primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, ठीक है, तो उस secretions को हमें remove करना है क्योंकि secretions if present it will obstruct the pathway of air. ठीक है, जो air की pathway है that is oxygen from the nose goes to the trachea, goes to the lungs. ठीक है, तो जो pathway है वो obstruct हो जाएगा. ठीक है, it will not because of secretions the air will not go into our lungs. So हमें क्या करना है, secretions को remove करना है. ठीक है, so we will remove secretions with the help of suctioning. ठीक है, जो भी secretions को हम उसको suck कर लेंगे बाहर with the help of a suction tube and mechanical suction device. Okay, so I hope everyone has seen the video. I have sent 2 videos in the group. Okay, and I hope everyone has seen the videos. Did anybody check the videos yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I did yesterday about definition, about endotracheal suctioning, what are the purpose. Okay, we have to do suctioning from the endotracheal tube. This is the endotracheal tube. Okay, so yesterday we did about this. Then I've also taught you about the suctioning machine. Okay, the 2 types of suction machine. One is the mechanical suctioning machine like this. Okay, and the other is the suction wall socket. Okay, portable suction, which is called as portable suction wall suction unit. Okay, so this is like this, yellow color, and this is attached to the wall of the hospital. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी सॉकेट्स होंगे, एक है ऑक्सीजन के लिए, एक है सक्शन के लिए. ठीक है, there is a different port for oxygen and a different for suction. Okay, so this is a suction chamber. There is a regulator, there is an on and off button. ठीक है, दो connectors है, एक connector wall के साथ and the other connector is with the suction catheter. Then I've taught you about the types of suction catheters. ठीक है, there are 5 types. Okay, one is the T type, we call it as a thumb type. Then there is a Y type, there is a cap cone which has a cap, this is green color. Then there is a plain type. ठीक है, ये red color you can see, maroon color, this is a red, this is a plain type, and there is a Y type transparent which has a transparent tip. So these are the 5 types of suction catheters and also with their size and their color. Okay, color coding with their size. And also I have taught you about the parts of the suction catheter. Then I started with the articles. Okay, क्या articles, equipments चाहिए for the procedure. Okay, then I've also taught you about the procedure and I've also sent you the video. Okay, so if you check the video, then you will understand it more. And what is the pressure? Okay, the amount of negative pressure for suctioning. ठीक है, अगर हमें secretions को suck करना है तो उसके लिए हमें negative pressure देना है, or else it will not suck the secretions, it will not remove the secretions. ठीक है, so this is the rate of pressure in adults, children and infant. ठीक है, there are 2 columns, one is portable suction unit and the other is wall suction unit. Okay, so if we are using the mechanical suction machine, then this is the negative pressure we have to give, एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग अ वॉल सक्शन यूनिट, मतलब जो वॉल्स पे हॉस्पिटल वॉल में connected है, then we have to use the negative, then these are the negative pressure. Okay, so today I will start with the second and the third type, that is oropharyngeal suctioning. Okay, so oropharyngeal suctioning. Oro comes from the word oral cavity. ठीक है, oral का मतलब है mouth. ठीक है, so like I said yesterday, there is the connection between the mouth and the pharynx. ठीक है, that connection we call it as the oropharyngeal. ठीक है, so अगर secretions present है हमारी mouth के अंदर, then we need to remove the secretions, तो उसको बोलते हैं oropharyngeal suctioning. Then second is nasopharyngeal suctioning. Nasopharyngeal मतलब nasal cavity, मतलब हमारी nose. ठीक है, so the connection between the nose and the pharynx. Okay, so if there is any secretions between the area between the nose and the pharynx, then उसको हमें remove करना है secretions को, उसको suck करना है, तो that is called nasopharyngeal suctioning. So let us see the definition. Removal of secretions from the oral cavity. From the oral cavity मतलब from the mouth. ठीक है, अगर मुंह के अंदर कोई भी secretions है तो हम we can remove it by suctioning. Then removal of secretion from the oral cavity, that is from the mouth, or nasal cavity, that is from the nose and the pharynx. ठीक है, through the suction, it is called as oropharyngeal suctioning and nasopharyngeal suctioning. I hope this is clear with the definition. You can see here pictures. First, this first picture, okay, the upper portion, this is a nasotracheal suctioning, matlab from the nose, okay, to the trachea. Okay, any secretions in between the nose and to the trachea, we can remove the secretion, उसको suck कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so this is nasotracheal suctioning, and the down picture here, the down portion, this is oral suctioning. ठीक है, मतलब the mouth, oral cavity. Okay, so if there are any secretions in our mouth to the pharynx, then we can remove the secretions by suctioning. उसको बोलते हैं oropharyngeal suctioning. So is this clear between these two? Anybody has any doubts? Let me know about this first before I go on. किसी को doubt है?
Ma'am.
Okay. So you know the procedure is very similar. ठीक है, ये दोनों procedures बहुत ही similar है, सिर्फ जो entry portion है वो different है. ठीक है, oropharyngeal मतलब हम mouth को, जो mouth की secretions है उसको निकालना है. ठीक है, and nasopharyngeal जो भी secretions हमारी nose के अंदर है to the pharynx, ठीक है, उसको निकालना है. So what are the purpose? Number 1, removing the secretions from the airway. ठीक है, अगर कोई secretions हमारी airway को obstruct करते हैं, ठीक है, it is not allowing oxygen to go down to the lungs, then हमें उस secretions को निकालना है, उसको remove करना है. Then number 2, facilitating the ventilation. It will by removing the secretion, it will help in the ventilation. Okay, it will help in the breathing process for the patient. Number 3, obtaining the secretion for diagnostic purposes. अगर हमें जो secretions है उनकी जो lab test करवाना है, ठीक है, then we can do this also. Okay, if you want to check if the secretions are, are infected, or if you want to check for more tests for secretions, then we can do this procedure. And last is preventing infections. ठीक है, so we know that if there is infection, ठीक है, then there is pus collection, there will be secretions. ठीक है, so we need to remove the secretions so that जो infection का rate है वो कम हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So these are the purposes of suctioning, oropharyngeal suctioning and nasopharyngeal suctioning. ठीक है. So you can see the picture here. I hope everyone can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, the upper picture here you can see. Okay, so this nurse is inserting the suction catheter into the nose of the patient. Okay, so she is inserting the catheter into the nose up to the pharynx. तो जो भी secretions है वो suck कर सकते हैं, उसको remove कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. And the second, the down picture here you can see. Okay, she is using a suction catheter. Okay, this is a plain type. She is inserting into the mouth of the patient. ठीक है. अगर कोई secretions है हमारी mouth के अंदर, ठीक है, तो we can remove it so that air will go into the lungs. ठीक है, airway obstruct नहीं होगा. Then coming to the procedure. Okay, so articles is the same. ठीक है, endotracheal suctioning के लिए जो भी articles है वो same है for oropharyngeal and nasopharyngeal suctioning. Same articles. Okay, so I will not repeat. So I will come directly to the procedure. First, assemble all the equipments and check the functioning of suction apparatus. ठीक है, तो suction machine check करना है. It is working or not. If we are using the mechanical suction machine or we are using the wall suction machine. ठीक है, so we have to check both of them. They are working, they are functioning. Then number 2, explain the procedure to the patient or his relatives. ठीक है, प्रोसीजर्स एक्सप्लेन करना है, सिर्फ पेशेंट को नहीं लेकिन फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी एक्सप्लेन करना है. नंबर 3, वी हैव टू चेक दी वाइटल साइंस. ठीक है, वी हैव टू चेक देयर हार्ट रेट, बीपी, चेक एवरीथिंग, रेस्पिरेटरी रेट, ब्रेथ साउंड्स भी चेक करना है, ईबीजी वैल्यूज भी चेक करना है. देन पेशेंट को प्रोवाइड करना है सेमी फाउलस पोजिशन. ठीक है, दैट इज 45 डिग्री एंगल. देन यू हैव टू वेयर मास्क and wash hands properly. Okay, so before the procedure you have to wash your hands properly. Then after that, after washing hands, then place the towel or waterproof pad across the patient's chest. Okay, so एक towel, you can use a towel or any draw sheet to place it on the chest of the patient so that जो भी secretions है, ठीक है, so that it will not go into the patient's clothes. ठीक है, so we need to place a towel or a waterproof pad or we can use a draw sheet also. Then wear gloves. ठीक है, connect the suction catheter to the suction tube which is connected with the suction device. ठीक है, तो suction catheter जो हम use करें, it can be of any type. plain suction catheter हो सकता है या thumb वाला T type suction catheter or we can use the Y type also. Okay, so any suction catheter we can use. Okay, so वो जो suction catheter है वो किसके साथ attach करना है? Suction tube के साथ which will connect to the suction machine. ठीक है, so we have to check the connection, कोई leakage तो नहीं है बीच में. ठीक है, then turn on the suction. Connection ठीक हो गया, tight हो गया, then we will on the suction machine. Then remove the oxygen device. We have to give, if patient is on and you can say ventilator or any oxygen device, then we have to remove the oxygen device. Then insert the catheter into the mouth. Okay, oropharyngeal suctioning है तो we have to insert the catheter into the mouth of the patient. ठीक है, oropharyngeal मतलब into the mouth. तो जो भी secretions हमारे मुंह के अंदर है, we have to remove it, we have to suction it. Okay, so this you can see this procedure here. So insert the catheter into the mouth of the patient and suction all the secretions. We have to suck all the secretions or remove the secretions. Then we can also, if nasopharyngeal, if we are doing nasopharyngeal suction, then we have to insert into the nose. ठीक है, like this. Okay, one hand, non-dominant hand, we have to or the clean hand we have to pinch or we can put the thumb on the regulator, and the other hand which is the dominant hand or the active hand, ये sterile होना चाहिए. So this is this we have to suction. Okay, we have to remove the secretion. So this is nasopharyngeal. So if we are using, if we are doing oropharyngeal, insert catheter to the mouth and remove the secretion. If we are inserting, if we are doing nasopharyngeal, insert the catheter into the nose of the patient. ठीक है, until the suctions or until the secretions are cleared. ठीक है, we have to make sure कि सारा secretions removed होना चाहिए. Then replace, after doing the suctioning, then replace the mask of the oxygen device. Okay, if they are using oxygen mask, if they are using nasal cannula. Okay, like I've taught you in the previous class. Okay, the two types of giving oxygen to the patient, various types. One is oxygen mask, which is very useful. Two is nasal cannula, which we are putting into the nose. So if patient is on oxygen mask or an or a nasal cannula, then we can after procedure, after removing secretions, usko hum replace kar. So we can put back into the patient's nose and mouth. Then rinse the catheter with water until the secretion is cleared from the suction tube. ठीक है, तो जो भी secretions which are stuck inside the suction catheter, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम जब secretions करते हैं तो some secretions फंस जाते हैं into the suction tube, तो हमें उसको साफ करना है, तो we can just rinse it under water. ठीक है, एक bowl है, ठीक है, inside the bowl you are keeping the sterile water, so you can just put the suction catheter into the bowl of sterile water, put negative pressure and it will suck all the water. ठीक है, जब वो water को suck करते हैं, then the catheter will be clean. ठीक है, so I think you must have seen it in the video yesterday which I have sent. Okay, so we have to rinse the catheter, so we have to clean the suction catheter. ठीक है, ध्यान रखना है कि वहां पे secretions नहीं होना चाहिए, it should be clean. Then after the procedure, first you have to evaluate the respiratory status. You have to check their respiratory rate, you have to check their SpO2 level, you have to check their breath sounds. ठीक है, you have to check their blood pressure also and all the vital signs. Remove the towel. ठीक है, जो हमने towel लगाया है उसको remove करना है and remove the gloves. Reposition the patient in a comfortable position. ठीक है, wash and clean all the utensils, articles that are used for suctioning. Replace the articles, wash hands and document the procedure, the findings and condition of patient pre and post suction. ठीक है, तो जो हमने procedures किया है वो लिखना है. We have to document it in a patient's file कि कौन सी procedure हमने किया है, oropharyngeal है या nasopharyngeal है या endotracheal suctioning. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद जो भी फाइंडिंग्स हमने देखा है कि लाइक व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ secretions, it can be yellow secretions, है ना, yellow color secretions were present or red color secretions were present or orange color, different types of colors. ठीक है, so whatever we are finding वो लिखना है. And also condition of the patient before suctioning, मतलब जो भी इनकी vital signs है, whatever the patient's condition before suctioning वो लिखना है. And also after suctioning. ठीक है, after suctioning patient की जो vital signs है वो क्या है and what is the condition. ठीक है, so these all you have to perform after the care or after giving suctioning to the patient. So is this clear with oropharyngeal suctioning and nasopharyngeal suctioning? This is very simple as compared to endotracheal tube suctioning. ठीक है, because here we are just inserting directly the suction catheter into the mouth, or we are just inserting the suction catheter into the nose of the patient. ठीक है, so is this clear with everyone? Anybody has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this procedure, oropharyngeal and nasopharyngeal suctioning, very simple as compared to endotracheal tube suctioning. ठीक है, so so any doubts regarding the endotracheal tube suctioning also? Any doubts with the procedure that you have seen yesterday? और any doubts with the suctioning topic? किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को इश्यूज है, प्लीज लेट मी नो.
No, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है फिर.